Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's another day, another video. It's me, Anubhuti, and today we are going to make our own perfume in Bangkok. So, guys, basically, I have booked a workshop for me and Akshat in somewhere in Bangkok. It's a place called Thai Scent, and we are going to go and make our own fragrances. Hope it is quite a fun video. I'm quite excited, so stay tuned and keep on watching this video. Basically, we took a cab, and it's going to take another 30 minutes for us to reach the place. And yeah, we're quite excited. Are you excited?
We can today you should DIY perfume. Today after finish you make our perfume, you can choose the bottle. Have to.
Okay.
Yes.
I know the video.
This one I have the more step by step you can see and can start now. If you have a problem, you can ask. I let you know it's outside.
Okay, thank you. What's your name?
Dance.
Chance.
Yes.
I'm Anu.
First thing have a top note. Mr. Yes, and I have T/M.
This
Yes, this one can top and middle.
I'm making mango.
The concept of the workshop was pretty much straightforward. You kind of smell all the fragrances and finalize your base note, your top note, and middle note and keep them aside. That pretty much took us a lot of time to finalize because they had an immense collection of fragrances to choose from.
Approximately 10 hours later.
मेरे को ये जानना है कि जो combinations हम choose कर रहे हैं, उसमें like which
If it will work together.
Yes.
Thai taking the paper and make sure.
Ready?
So once we finalized our all the three notes, time was to start our mini experiment of adding all the three notes drop by drop and keep trying and smelling it until and unless you're satisfied with how your perfume smells.
Essential oil.
Once we were happy with our fragrances, they help us bottle them up into beautiful bottles of scents. We also got to name our own perfume, customize the bottle with beautiful stickers, and also chose our favorite packaging. It was absolutely a fun day and a fun workshop. Now we got to wait for another 3 days before we start using this perfume for the essential oils and the fragrances to completely fuse and become stable and start smelling as the perfume we want.
Thank you so much.
I really like their space. They also have a lot of products selling in the retail category where you have some amazingly smelling candles, perfumes, roll-ons, diffusers, etc. So all in all, it was an amazing productive day which was just filled with amazing fragrances all around me. And I will highly recommend you guys to try it out if you are in Bangkok.
So I had a lot of fun in making my own perfume. What was your experience like?
My experience was like realization that I have a bad nose.
Okay, fine. That's okay with me.
But was good, fun, yes. I can't feel my nose anymore.
Would you recommend it?
I would recommend it, yes. But maybe it will be better if you take the full course and then you come here and experiment.
Yeah, that I agree. But yeah, it's a good thing to do on a weekend and do something productive. So I had a great time, and if you had a good time watching this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.